Ex-jagoan UFC Dustin Poirier disebut tetap memiliki peluang saat menghadapi Islam Makhachev pada pertandingan gelar kelas ringan UFC nantinya. Mantan juara interim itu memang akan menemui lawan tangguh yang bahkan sulit dikalahkan untuk saat ini. Apalagi kegagalan Poirier pada dua pertandingan gelar sebelumnya berhadapan dengan petarung yang dikenal tangguh dalam bergulat seperti Khabib Nurmagomedov dan Charles Oliveira. Poirier sama-sama menelan kekalahan dengan cara yang sama, yakni lewat submission dengan teknik kuncian redneck choke.
And it's not really that's in. Under the chin, there's the top. Khabib Nurmagomedov, 28-0.
Real trouble under the neck. It's under the neck. It's under the neck.
Down and now, folks. Down and now.
100%. That's what I want. That's. If I could pick a fight, the title fight that's my choice. That's what I want. I've done more in the sport of mixed martial arts than he has. I've been around a long time. I was doing this before it was cool, and I'm still here. Still here doing it at the highest level. I could beat anybody in the world, and I hope he's next.
Against him, I know my plan. I just have to defend my neck from his guillotine, and that's it. He have good, but he is a legend. If we talk about Dustin, he's already a legend, and he have big experience in this sport. But he's a problem. He have good striking, and his bad point is wrestling and grappling. But he have good guillotine.
Meski begitu, mantan penantang gelar kelas ringan Michael Chandler mengatakan Poirier tentunya tetap memiliki potensi untuk menang atas Makhachev. Walaupun Chandler mengakui bahwa Makhachev adalah petarung yang sangat bagus.
I think Islam's good, man. Once again, this is me giving a ton of respect to a guy that I want to fight. Islam is very good. Southpaw versus Southpaw, one guy who's much better at wrestling. At this point, the ease at which Dustin gets taken down is a scary thing for him. I don't know how you spend the next... it's not even 8 weeks, right?
It's like a month.
It's about 8 weeks, 7 weeks. I don't know how you spend that much. I don't know how you can make up the ground to be able to stop some of the takedowns that Islam is going to throw at him. But Dustin hits very hard. Dustin has the heart of a champion.
Chandler menyebut Poirier tentu akan memikirkan situasi yang kemungkinan besar akan mengancamnya. Namun Chandler meyakini Poirier memiliki dua hal yang bisa menjadi senjatanya, yakni pukulan dan keyakinan sebagai petarung yang memiliki mental juara.
Dustin is, I would say, the most skilled guy I have fought ever in my entire life, from a standpoint of huge heart, great cardio. His mind is with it when he's in the octagon. He will play possum just like he did with me. He will lose round. He will concede position. He'll do all of these different things to win the fight. He's a certified competitor. With that being said, I think Islam is better than him in every single aspect of the sport except for the sheer boxing. So it'll be fun. It'll be entertaining. I will not be there, but I'll be watching.
Can Arman?
And I would love to fight the winner.
Lain dengan halnya Arman Tsarukyan, dia menyoroti rekor Islam Makhachev hingga mengklaim Khabib sebagai pelicinnya setiap maju ke pertarungan. Menurutnya, lawan yang dihadapi juara kelas ringan itu tidak terlalu berbahaya. Hal itu berbeda dengan dirinya yang harus melawan lawan yang tangguh-tangguh.
I think I'm gonna defend his wrestling, and I'm gonna beat him on the stand. I believe my striking is better, my kicks, my boxing. So he has a good clinch. But I think my footwork, my kicks, and my boxing much better. But yeah, he has good things on striking too. We gotta be careful. So I know how can I beat him, and I wanna show that everybody. I need 8 weeks. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough fight, but I know I believe myself, and I'll go there just for win.
Tsarukyan memang punya dendam kesumat dengan Makhachev. Mereka pernah dipertemukan pada tahun 2019 silam. Tsarukyan memang belum bisa mengalahkan Makhachev, akan tetapi Arman adalah orang yang pertama yang bisa membantu Makhachev di panggung UFC. Sejak saat itu, kedua petarung melalui jalan yang berbeda hingga status lawan paling berbahaya bagi Makhachev berhasil dia dapatkan. Dan jalan mulus Sarukian menuju ke pertarungan perebutan gelar setelah kalahkan Charles Oliveira.
See you soon, boy.
I still think. I mean, Islam's got a lot of guys' numbers, man. He's got a big calling on his life, and he believes it. And he is not fighting just for himself. He is fighting for the entire country. He's fighting for Khabib's legacy. He's fighting for Khabib's dad's legacy. It's a lot deeper, and it's special. It's good. It's intimidating to a lot of people, and. But no, I think Islam retains against Poirier. I think he retains against Arman, and I think. I guess that would have to be first quarter of next year I would fight him.
You know, being the only guy to ever finish him is great. Every win is incredible, but for taking this fight, it's like you got to pay your dues. And I've been at the top a long time. Somebody gave me my chance to break into the top, and kind of like what Islam said, nobody was available at the time. He was the next guy who had a lot of hype, who was putting people away, and it just made sense. And you know, I gotta show who I am. Fight these young, hungry guys like that are you know, this guy's in his 20s on a 5-fight win streak in the UFC, finished all of his opponents. Like, you just got to throw yourself in that fire sometimes. That's just part of fighting.
Honestly, he showed us good performance. He knocked out his opponent, but his opponent also it's good, you know, high level guy here who have good grappling, good wrestling, but the emotion, the fight with Dustin, I think it's a like the pressure what the guy have, the experience. In last fight, I think key for the win for the Dustin is experience. He beginning the fight very slowly, just waiting for that guy. And when that guy is tired, he just finish him.
It's the only thing left for me to do. You know, I've done everything else in the sport of mixed martial arts. I've created multiple businesses. I've headlined so many cards. I've been 30 times in the UFC octagon. My family is set. Like, I've done everything I've set out to do but capture the title, and that's the only thing left for me to do, and that's what I want.
My fight style is bad for Dustin because we saw his fight with Max Holloway and with the other people who have good striking. I think best boxing in this sport in my division, Dustin have, honestly, because he beat everybody in the striking. Nobody can beat him. But for the fighter who have good wrestling and good grappling, he have bad points. He have 0-3 with the fight for the belt. He lose with Khabib, who have good wrestling and grappling. He lose with the Charles Oliveira. That's why my opinion, my style is bad for him.
So guys, bagaimana dengan pendapat kalian semuanya? Tinggalkan komentar di bawah ya. Like video ini and see you next time.